Hi, welcome again. In this section, we will work on the merge and merge conflicts both on the Git and GitHub. So let us start our practical work. Currently, we are on the main branch. Let us see the log history using the command gitlab one line. To work with the branches and merge the changes, we need to have a different branch. So let us create a branch, tech developer. And check the branches using git branch. Let us search to the newly created branch using the command sorry. Now let us modify our file example2 with the print statement. Added this line from tech developer branch from git terminal. Check the status using git status and commit the change made to example2 file from the tech developer. Here I am using the command git commit -am and then the commit message. Added a new print statement from tech developer branch. And here, please remember that this command works only for modified and deleted files and not for the new files. Means the git commit -am and then the commit message. For the new file, we need to add and then commit with the two steps. Means from git add and git commit -am. I hope you got an idea on git commit -m and git commit -am usage. Now let us make one more commit to the example 8 file. Here I am going to make a change to our example 8 file with a slightly different modification. So let us add a variable called x and then assign a value 500. And then make a commit. With the commit message, assign x variable or x is equal to 500 example 8 file. Now let us check the log history using git log -one line. Here we can see that the tech developer branch is 2 commits ahead of the master branch, means from the main branch. To merge these changes to the main branch, we need to switch to it. So switch to the main branch using git checkout main. If you carefully observe the files in the Visual Studio Code editor, the changes made just now have been disappeared, but they still exist in the tech developer branch. Again, if we log into the log history of the main branch, we do not find the newly made commits from the tech developer branch. So here we left with the changes of the main branch. This is because we have not yet merged our tech developer branch onto the master branch. Now we need to merge using git merge and then the branch name tech developer. Now we can see the changes in our files, example 8 and also in example 2. And also if we check the log history using gitlab -- one line, here we can see the tech developer branch is 2 commits ahead of master branch, and also the head points to both main and tech developer branches, not just on the single branch. This is because we have recently merged our tech developer branch on to the main branch. So we have successfully combined 2 branches, and this type of merge is a basic type and is called the fast forward merge. In this type of fast forward merge, we won't find any merge conflicts. In order to prove that there won't be any merge conflicts in the fast forward merge, let us switch to the tech developer branch and make some changes. Now let us update the file example 8 with the new variables. Here I'm going to change the value of the x from 500 to 600, and also I will add a new variable z is equal to 800. In front of x variable, I will also mention the change in the form of a comment. Now we have updated the file example 8 with the variable x is equal to 600 and the new variable z is equal to 800. Let us make a commit using the command git commit -am and then the commit message. Now let us switch to our main branch using git checkout main. Once we switch to the main branch, we can merge without any conflicts. So let us merge using the command git merge and then the branch. Here, as you can see, the changes have been overwritten simply without any conflicts. This is because of the fast forward merge. So this is how the fast forward merge works. In the fast forward merge, there is a linear path from the master branch to the second branch. So in our case, the branch is tech developer branch. In this type of merge, while we are working on the new branch, there won't be any commit from the main branch or master branch. Once we merge, the merge will linearly joins with the main branch, and any changes made to the new branch will overwrite onto the main branch, and there won't be any conflicts. Here, sometimes I often use the words master and main. So you please remember that master and the main both are similar to each other, and if I use the word master, it means main. So this is about the fast forward merge. But in real case, we won't get this type of merge regularly and may experience merge conflicts. So now it is our time to see how to resolve the merge conflicts if they arise when you work both on the main branch and sub branch simultaneously. Before that, we will see three-way merge, which occurs when we make a change from the new branch and at the same time if someone makes a commit from the main branch as well. So see you in the next lesson.